Hey friends, it's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guys, I have some mail to share with you, and I'm so sorry to the people that have sent this to me because I've had this for a week or more, and so now that I'm feeling better, I want to get right to it. So look at this very cute envelope, and then I covered up our addresses so I could show you this too, because look at this snail and this little bear. I like you very much. Isn't that cute? All right, let's open this envelope up. Created by our friend Terry O. Warm wishes for a lovely Valentine's Day, Kim. I love this, and if you've heard me say this before, this little cup, oh my gosh, it's so cute. One of these days I'm going to own that, and I love all the pink hearts, and ooh, super fun gifts in here. Look at this. I love these little stickers. You are so sweet. Oh, there's one. She sent me that one too, and some little octopi. And oh, look at these cute little animals. Cute. Ooh, and she sent me one of these little cut aparts. Hi, Kim. I wanted to let you know you're in my thoughts, girl. I love the yummies you sent me. Can't wait to craft with those beauties. You are an incredible lady and gorgeous friend. Lots of love. Lots of love to you, my friend. And if you guys don't already know, Terry, I am going to put the link to her channel down below. She is an amazing crafter. She's been crafting for a long time and has so many skills and tips and tricks and things that she could just think on her feet, and I'm just amazed by that. So thank you so much, Terry, and I love you too, and thank you for all these goodies, because you've probably heard me say this before on my channel. Valentines and hearts all year long. And so look at this red Hallmark card. This is really pretty, and Happy Hearts Day. How cute is that? Look at those two little birds right there. Thinking sweet thoughts of you on Valentine's Day and always. Love lots, Gloria, Tinker Wonderland. Hello, Kim. Just so you know that I'm thinking and love you, my friend. Thank you so much for your friendship. Aw, thank you, Gloria. This is another friend. Oh my gosh, guys. If you are not already following and watching Gloria at Tinker Wonderland, you are missing something, because this woman can take any kind of recycled item that she finds at her local thrift store, or you know, at a yard sale, or wherever she finds them, and she can make something gorgeous and beautiful out of it. Your creativity, Gloria, amazes me. Amazes me. And then she has hauls, and she has all kinds of projects that she works on. So definitely go over and follow Gloria. And thank you so much for thinking of me, my friend. And then this package right here, oh my gosh, this comes from the UK. You can see when I first pulled this out of the mailbox and it had this little declaration paper on there, I thought, oh my gosh, who's sending me something? Where is it coming from? And this is from Carol at RECRAFTED Boutique. And she says, hi, Kim. Thank you for watching my channel and for the sweet comments on my videos. Oh, that's so sweet. I hope you like the surprise envelope. It's handmade by me and sent with love. Wow, 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 wow. You know, Judy and I were just talking the other day about how amazing UK crafters are, and how you guys just, mixed media just rolls out of your craft rooms just so elegantly and effortlessly. And I know I'm just simply amazed by you. And so, Carol, you are another crafter that I'm simply amazed by. And look at how beautiful this is, guys. And I love receiving gifts like this, because I just look at them and I just say, okay, I can do that. I can do that. Now that it's in front of me, I can do that. I love how she has this eyelet here, and then the ribbon, she has the ribbon coming on both sides of it like that. See, those are the little things that I can't think of those myself. And then she has some doily here with fabric, and then this is popped up, this little cut apart. Oops, I just took that off. This little cut apart is popped up, and then she has glitter around it, and this is just the cutest thing. And then right here, this is a pocket, and then she has a little like Project Life card in there. That is so cute. But when you open it, it's actually, you can see it's like an envelope. What size envelope that is that? Like A10 maybe? Is that A10 or I think A7? But how beautiful this is. And then she has stitching on here. If you can, I don't know if you can see the stitching. And then you flip this open. Well, okay, wait, there's a little card right here. And then she has this inked all around the edges. And then you flip that open, and that's another little envelope right there. And then she has some little fun little, it looks like an ATC possibly in here. This is gorgeous. That's gorgeous. And then another little vellum little piece right there. I'll just set these over here. And then look at these little pockets right here. And look how she did that. Look at how cute that is, guys. She just stapled a little piece of fabric and then that just stuck that right in there. Oh my gosh. Okay, Carol, I'm going to be stealing some of these ideas, girl. Oh, look at this. And then more ephemera pieces. She rounded the edges on that one and then added some ephemera here. And then look at that. A friend is someone who understands your past, believes in your future, and accepts you today just the way you are. I love that. Did you print this yourself? Because I really need to do that. I need to take out my vellum. I've seen people that are printing on vellum, and it's so pretty. Oh, this is another little envelope. That's really pretty. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. This is just gorgeous. Wow. Oh, wait a minute. I think there's something in here. Oh, yeah. There's a couple of, oh, there's some cut-aparts in here. How fun is this? Oh my gosh. How fun is this? All these little hearts and fun things in here. And then, how beautiful is this? Here's some fabric right here. This is so gorgeous. There's so many elements and pieces to this, Carol. Thank you so much. And I am so sorry. I apologize for the lateness of this and the posting of this. Please do not take that as any reflection of my excitement receiving something from you. Just so wonderful. Untimely sickness over here. So this is beautiful. I'm honored to have something that you've made in my craft room. And this last envelope is from our friend Liana. Oh my goodness, Liana girl, what did you send me? And I love this bag with butterflies on it. I can definitely reuse this. So let me open it up. Okay, let's take everything out of here. And so if you guys know Liana, Liana is a fast crafter. Oh my gosh. So Liana can just whip things up. I mean, you send her something and the next thing you know, she's on it. She's sending you a thank you. She's sending a gift. She's sending a gifty back. Oh my gosh, Liana. Little by little, I'm speeding up my craftiness. And so I'm getting fast. But yeah, nowhere the speed that you are. Thank you for your sweet happy mail. Hope you enjoy your goodies. Love, Liana. Yay for warmer weather. Liana lives in California. She lives a couple of hours north of me. And so, oh my gosh. Today it's raining and it's supposed to rain for the next couple of days. But last week it was like in the mid 70s. So, you know, I don't know. Our weather is just so crazy. Oh, look at this. She knows that I love black and white. And look at this, black and white and then green for March. That tassel is super cute. And I love that black safety pin. That is too cute. And this ribbon, okay. Love it, love it, love it. Liana, you did not have to send me anything, girl. But thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open that up. Love, it's a deal. I like her little sticker right there. Oh my gosh, it's a loaded envelope. Look at this, how cute this is. I love this gold. Is that like a gold washi tape thing? And then look at how cute that is. You're my lucky charm. Ooh, look at this orange rickrack. I love that. Orange, green, and yellow are so cute together. And then rainbows in March are perfect, right? Oh, look at that fun rainbow. That is so cool. I love that. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. These come all together like in a pack or something. How cute are those? Oh my gosh, look at these. How pretty these are. Love that gold. Thank you. Ooh, look at these. This is something that I don't ever think about buying when I see them. But when I see other people using them, I think, oh, those are so pretty. I should get those because, you know, you can use them just like this or paint them. Use them on so many of your projects. Thank you, Liana. Oh my gosh. Ooh, these black bags are cute. And I love this ephemera. It's so cute. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, seriously. Oh, seriously. Thank you. Wow. Okay. Perfect timing. Oh my gosh, Liana. I'm so glad that I opened this before I started creating pocket letters. Look at this. Did you laminate these? Or did they come like this? I think you laminated these. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? All these little shamrocks. Aww. I can use these on my pocket letters. Cool. Thank you. What were these? You laminated these, but what were they? Were they like window clings or what were they? These are so cool. I love this size too. Oh, look at you. Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. Thank you so much. Oh, this is cool. Thank you, Liana. Oh, look at that paper. How cute she did that. I swear, she is so creative. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Ribbon, ribbon, ribbon. Hold on, I have to open this. You've probably heard me say that I don't have a lot of ribbon. I actually just bought some ribbon. I think I got 2 D-stashes and I think I did get some ribbon in there. But, ooh, look at all this trim. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at all this trim. This is so pretty. Look at this green. Look at this one. I love this bright pink color. I am so excited to have this trim and I am definitely going to use it. And I love all my goodies. Now I can get my March crafting on. You're so awesome. Thank you, Terry, Gloria, and Carol for thinking of me. You guys are just way too sweet. If you're not already visiting these 4 friends channels, then definitely head on over there. I'll put the links to their YouTube channels below, so go over and say hello and let them know that I sent you. All right, guys, talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.